Hey everybody, today I'd like to talk about 7 things that, if you get it right, are going to really enhance your Camino. Now, number 1, I'm going to start with the most important one as far as I'm concerned, that even experienced pilgrims get wrong, and that's to look up, look around, look behind you, and not spend a lot of the time looking at your feet. Now, that's easier said than done sometimes, because if you're tired or you're on a big uphill stretch and all you're doing is looking at one foot, your left foot, your right foot, your left foot, going in front of each other. Sometimes that's what we do, just with the strain, when everything's getting on top of us a little bit. If we're tired, it's very easy just to walk, looking down, hoping that you'll get there in the end like that. Don't stop, look around, look up, enjoy it, savor it. Number 2, train before you go. Now, that doesn't mean go out for a 5-minute walk from time to time. You need to put your pack on, you need to put your shoes on, everything that you've got with the full weight in it. Work up to it if you need to, but you need to spend at least a few weeks recreating what it's going to be on the Camino. Get some hills in, get some downhills in, and that will make so much difference. It's better to have a little bit of pain before you go, when you're close to home with home comforts, than when you're there. When you're there, you want to be enjoying everything about your Camino. So pay it forward and get your exercise in. Now, that will also help out with the most important point, number 1, about looking up. Because if you're fitter and you've got more energy, everything becomes a bit easier and you've got more chance of looking around you and seeing everything and not looking at your feet. Number 3, pack light. Remember, you only really need to pack for what is essentially a day out on a long walk where the weather might change and one night away. That's it. It's a civilized place. Certainly if you're on a more popular route like the Frances, you don't need that much. The backpack I've got weighs just over 4 kilos, which is under 10 pounds in weight. If you've not got a lot of weight on your back, then the whole walk is easier. If you've done a lot of training, the whole walk is a lot easier. You add those two together, you're not looking down, you're looking up and you're soaking it in and enjoying your Camino. Some synergy now, 3 to 2 to 1. The first 3 points there, just on their own, are going to really help your Camino. Number 4, make sure you're buying a backpack in the right size for you. A lot of people make this mistake and they think a backpack size is 30 litre, 40 litre, 50 litre. Now, that's the capacity and how much the backpack will carry. Backpacks come in a size of small, medium, large, pretty much like an item of clothing, to do with how long your torso is. It's not really to do with your height, because people can have can be tall with short bodies or short with long bodies. So there are many places on Google for how to measure for a backpack. I haven't done a video on that yet, maybe I will, but in the meantime, find how to measure what the length of your back is, your torso height, and then check with the manufacturer of the backpack that you're interested in to see how that size fits with their categorization of small, medium and large, so that you can get the backpack fit right for you. Once you've got that, then you decide on whether it's a 30 litre or a 40 litre, etc. You know what, I know I said 7 points at the start of this video, but I also wanted to keep this nice and short and snappy, so I might just carry on with the other points on the next video. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll be able to find a packing list that gets your pack to be as light as mine, under 10 pounds, 4.5 kilos, plus many, many more hints and tips. If you don't want to subscribe, that's fine, but give it a thumbs up for me if you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you with more points to help your Camino on the next one. Thanks, everybody.